This video is sponsored by Skillshare. He's trying to get through the curtains. Alright, well, I tried to help him. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back, okay? Today's video, we're going to be going through over 50 Whimsigoth crochet ideas. Now, this video is going to be a little more heavy on the wearable items like tops, cardigans, shawls, bottoms, things like that, and less on the decor. And I only did that because I did a video like this last year, and it was more decor focused. So when I did this video a year ago, the main comment I got was that you guys wanted more wearables. So if you're looking for more decor ideas, Whimsigoth style decor, I do have a decor category in this one, but if you want more, check out last year's Whimsigoth video. I'll link it down below at the top before I start linking the patterns. The categories I have for this video are tops, shawls and cardigans, bottoms, dresses, decor, and then a couple accessories. I think we ended up with like 55 patterns for this one, so more than 50, but a lot of these are beginner friendly. I have a couple intermediate and advanced mixed in there because I know some of you guys are not beginners, so I wanted to give you something that might challenge you a little along with our beginner friendly ones. As always, everything I'm showing you is linked in the description box below in the order that I'm showing it, linked to a free or paid written or video tutorial so you can make every photo that I'm showing you, you can make it. It's linked down there. I'm still getting questions on where to find the patterns. They're in the description box. And as always, if any of these are yours and you don't want them promoted in this video, shoot me a quick email or DM me over on Instagram and I can take it from the video, or if I'm linking it to the wrong spot, let me know and I can fix it. Let's jump into our first category, which is tops. Alright, so for tops, we have this fairy tank top. I wanted to give you some layering options as well as like tops that can stand alone on their own, like this light layers tank, and also this light layers tank is also a layering option. And then I have this kind of milkmaid style top. I know it's milkmaid style, but I just like imagined it with like a little white cami underneath, kind of like in this thumbnail, and it just, depending on what you pair with it, it's giving very Whimsigoth. I feel like throughout this video, a lot of my inspiration for these were Willow and Tara from like Buffy the Vampire Slayer, because it's like all I've been watching recently, but that's kind of where I'm drawing. I'm drawing from like 90s Whimsigoth, not so much 2024 Whimsigoth. So you've got this date night sweater, which is kind of lacy, and depending on the colors you use, can be a little more Whimsigoth of the goth or more whimsical of the Whimsigoth. You can also make this flower sweater, super simple, and this dragonfly, why do I feel like I'm saying that wrong? This dragonfly crochet top. This one's a long sleeve one. I have a short sleeve one coming up soon, but you can also make this button up v-neck sweater, this lacy leafy top, which again, love a layering piece you can add to something else. And then there's this Coliseum crop, super cute. And I'm sure if you don't want it to be cropped, you can just add some more rows at the bottom to make it longer. That's usually what I do with patterns I don't want to be cropped. Before we get into the next category, I just wanted to take a second to thank this video sponsor, Skillshare. As someone who is juggling a YouTube channel, my own shop, and being a full-time student, I need to stay organized, and for me, that means using things like Notion or even Google Calendar, but those can be kind of hard to figure out. Because of Skillshare's classes, I'm actually starting to figure it out. Skillshare is the largest online learning community for creatives with thousands of classes led by industry experts across film, illustration, design, freelance, productivity, and more. Skillshare can help you take your career, skills, hobbies, passions, or even side hustles to the next level. Skillshare has a bunch of categories for options, whether you want to be an entrepreneur and you need help starting your business, whether you want to start making content and you have no idea where to start, or you're already doing these things but you're having trouble organizing it all. There are so many categories for you to choose from to help you with all of those things and more. The month of November is all about gratitude, okay? Being grateful for your creativity and the joy it brings you and those in your community. So get inspired, check out Skillshare, find some classes that'll be beneficial to you to help you spread your creativity with those around you. With that being said, the first 500 people to click the link in my description will receive 1 month free trial of Skillshare. So get started today. Did you hear what I said? I said the first 500 people to click the link in my description will receive 1 month free trial of Skillshare. So what are you waiting for? Now, I love this one. I'm obsessed with this next one, okay? I've immediately added it to my to be crocheted list, but it's this bell sleeve sweater. I just love that the body part is kind of like vertical lines instead of horizontal lines, because I just feel like vertical lines look so much more flattering. I don't know, I could be crazy, I don't really know anything about that, but I just feel like when I wear vertical lines I feel like so much better than when I'm wearing horizontal lines. So I want to try making that one. And then this Hazy Days pullover, super cute for fall, since this is coming out in November. Super cute for a November kind of fall sweater activity, or a November fall sweater pattern. And then there's this funky stripes top. It says it's a cardigan, but I don't know, I kind of see it more as a top, so it's in the top category. And then this is the short sleeve dragonfly top version that I mentioned earlier. If you hear the birds squawking in the background, I apologize. I'm hoping my mic's not picking up on it, but if it is, we're just gonna have to deal for a few minutes because I can't close my door. So the next one I have for you is this blossom top, which I understand this example photo is hot pink, but imagine like a cream color or like a green or like a deep burgundy or a black. Way more whimsigoth. Then of course I have to include an off the shoulder sweater top as well. Now let's get into my favorite category, which is the shawl and cardigan category. I love this vintage crochet pattern for this 90s waistcoat. Oh, I love it. It's also kind of giving a little bit of like fall Halloween vibes as well. You can make these bell sleeves to go with anything. It's kind of like a crocheted version of what I'm wearing right now. Super cute. And then you can make this simple cardigan in some whimsigoth colors. I like this green like short sleeve cardigan look with the belt. I think it's really cute, and it's kind of I've seen Tara wear this in Tara wears something similar to this in Buffy the Vampire Slayer, so I thought it was definitely cute enough to add. And then I have this button lace cardigan that kind of ends higher up, so I like that one. And then this one is a jeweled one, so you can add like sequins or jewels to it to make it like pop a little more, but it's more of a shawl. Super cute. And then this one's similar to the other one but different, so if you want a little bit more of a challenge, there's this like lacy teal color, which again, change the color to match whimsigoth, but you have to imagine some of these in like a whimsigoth color palette to really vision it, because a lot of these are made with like hot pink or teal colors, but if you have the vision, okay, it can be whimsigoth. Now this one, super cute 90s cardigan kind of pullover. This paired with like a choker or like a pendant necklace from the 90s. Okay, Willow from Buffy. And yes, I know I've probably said Buffy like 10 times by now. I don't care. I'm on the last season and I love that show so much. And then there's this burgundy color 90s cardigan whimsigoth. Very cute. Love this burgundy shawl, and I know I've probably mentioned it in a previous video, and I'm sure this isn't the first time you're seeing it if you're not new to the channel, but mark my words, I will be making this shawl eventually. And then I love this stripy cropped short sleeve cardigan as well. If you're like hot-blooded like me and you can't do a long sleeve cardigan, that one's for you. And then I like this like cute little wrap shawl. And then this one's kind of giving more of like a flowy, elegant shawl than the other one. And this one is giving like witchy whimsigoth vibes. Even in this color it could work. I recommend maybe doing like a burgundy or like a dark, or even like a brown, like a deep brown. Oh, so cute. And then I have this circle shawl as well for you. And then I love this one that kind of just wraps around. Also just a huge fan of purple. So love purple and green. If you can't tell, literally everything in this frame is green, but I also like green. And then we have this long cardigan. Love a long cardigan. Have yet to make one, but every time I see one, I want to make one. And then we have this more like lacy, I think it's called the year-round shawl. I love that one. And then this one is our last one for shawls and cardigans. It's a golden holiday jacket. Super cute. I thought this one was giving more 90s than the other one, so I like that one. Our next category is bottoms. I only have a couple for you, but they're really cute. So I've got this martini skirt. I have this Margaret pants. I might be butchering that, but super cute. And then I have this mermaid skirt. So whether you're a skirt or pant girl, I got options for you. Then we have a few for our dresses category. For the dresses category, we've got Scarlet Fairy dress. And then, of course, I have to mention Morticia dress. I've made this one personally. It's a free video tutorial. I love it so much. Okay, I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Nothing I would change about it. If you want to see my process of making it before you jump into that tutorial and you want to make sure that's something you want to do, I have a whole crochet with me filming my process, but it does not show you how to make the dress. If you want to make the dress, you need to go watch her tutorial, okay? But if you want to know what you're getting yourself into and watch me suffer and make my way through it, you can watch my crochet with me if that's something you're interested. Then we have the highly loved, highly requested decor category. Keep in mind, if you don't find something in this category, check out last year's video. It's mostly decor. So for this category, we have the Sun, Moon, and Star blanket. I love that one. I'm pretty sure it's mosaic crochet. So if you've been wanting to try mosaic crocheting, that's for you. We've got this bracelet book pattern that creates a wall hanging that looks like this cute little cat pumpkin wall hanging. You can make a sun catcher, super cute, or just go back to the basics. Make a simple blanket, okay? Make a cute little deep velvet blanket. Or if you're kind of more of like the creepy Whimsigoth and you want like creepy witchy stuff in your room, make these eye flowers in like a cute little bouquet with some dead flowers, and I think it'd look really, really cute. Then you can use some velvet yarn to make a long velvety pillow. That pillow would actually look really cute on this couch. I might make it. And then you can make this solid color throw, which is kind of giving different textures. Very cute. You can stick with like a green or a burgundy color or some like deeper purples, up to you. And then I have this night sky blanket as well. I have a curtain for you. Very cute. Very Whimsigoth depending on the color. Love this square pillow with velvet yarn. Very Whimsigoth. And then I have something a little unique and interesting for you, is this flowery puffy pillow. Super cute. And then for our last category, we have accessories. I have a few accessories. I'm pretty sure I have more accessories in the other video from last year, but just wanted to give you these two. This gemstone holder, which I plan on making some very soon, and then this flowery headband free video tutorial as well. And that is all for our over 50 Whimsigoth crochet ideas. Like I said in the beginning, everything I showed you is linked in the description box below in the order that I showed you, linked to a free or paid written or video tutorial so you can make everything I showed you in this video. It's linked down there, okay? If there's an issue with any of the links or I'm linked to the wrong spot, comment down below and I'll fix it immediately. If there's another 50 crochet idea video you want to see, comment the idea down below and I'll add it to the list and maybe you'll see it as our next video. Who knows? With that being said, like this video if you liked it, okay? Subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed and you want to see more. But it really does help me when you guys like the video and maybe comment which one your favorite was if you have nothing else to comment. It really helps the algorithm just kind of push me out there. And other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.